Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So ngizokhuluma ubani na? Ngizokhuluma umdlali odlalela eGolden Arrows ofunwa amaclub amabili amakhulu la eSouth Africa. Kuyi-Orlando Pirates eyawina isicoco seBetway Premiership last season neMamelodi Sundowns eyawina iCAF Champions League last season. So lawo maclub lawo makhulu ngempela. So uyayi-understanda i-pressure anayo lo mfana lokuthi-ke iyiphi iclub azosayina kuyona. So kuney'ndaba-ke ey'nkulu surrounding i-signature yakhe. Umjida nikhumbula kahle ubesengcupheni ukuthi-ke asayine as a new player e-Orlando Pirates ngoba ubeseyishayile i-medical yakhe wathi ukuyivocavoca kancane odokotela bamhlola kahle bayi-Orlando Pirates babona ukuthi-ke umdlalo right ukuthi-ke asayine. Kodwa ama-personal terms kubuye ngathi-ke awavunywanga. I-contract ofarishwe i-Orlando Pirates ayimgculisanga ngaleyo ndlela. I-agent yakhe ngokuzwa kwami kuthiwa-ke awuthi kumancane umjida angayisayini leyo contract because kuney'ngcingo ey'khalayo le ePitoli kune-club emfunayo okuyi-Mamelodi Sundowns. Kuthiwa-ke i-Mamelodi Sundowns ibuye with i-deal entsha for yena ubani na uSiyanda Ndlovu. Kuthiwa-ke uSiyanda Ndlovu bazomnikeza more money, more game times. Ngesazi ngalapho niyayazi Sundowns kulele kuyena-ke umjida ukuthi-ke ingabe uzovuma yona ukuthi-ke ayijoyine ini na iGolden Arrows. So ngizokhuluma ngani na? Ngizokhuluma ngabadlali abayithathayo decision ukuthi-ke bawodlalela iMamelodi Sundowns. I know a lot of people they would like to have uSiyanda Ndlovu kuyona iMamelodi Sundowns. Many Mamelodi Sundowns fans bangajabula kakhulu ukuthi-ke babe nayo. Umjida is a very good boy. Umjida uyadlala usanayo iminyaka 23 years old. So iyalazi ibhola umjida. Yabo. So ngizokhuluma ngani na? Ngizokhuluma ngaye umjida. Kukuyena kukabili. It's either ubheka ifuture yakho or ubheka ifuture yakho. Is it your future or your future? This is a very tough decision for yena uNdlovu. It's either ubheka ifuture yakho ukuthi-ke uma esayina with Orlando Pirates. Phela mesayina with Orlando Pirates, he's the new star player. Mfukeng usehambile already. Mesayina with Orlando Pirates, guaranteed umjida uzoqala ama-games, guaranteed umjida uzodlala kahle, awina ama-games, member win icoco, ama-team amaningi go-Europe, ambone am-approach umjida msayina. Kodwa mesayina ngiyazi ayithole le mali azoyithola kwi-Sundowns. Kukabili, it's about your future and your future. I-future yakhe kwi-Sundowns ilula kakhulu, uzothola imali, mutholiye more money uzowazi ukwakhe ekhaya. Kodwa miphela i-contract yakho ungadlali kahle kwi-Sundowns bayakudedela. Kwi-Sundowns phela ngeke uzudlala. That's the thing. Sibe nje neqiniso bafethu. uSiyanda Ndlovu is a very good player, is a very good youngster, but-ke mase siba neqiniso ubani umdlali o-serious ekhanda oyibuka indaba abuka ukuthi kwenzakalani. Kuze i-contract lapha phambi kwakho uyabona kuthiwa kuzobuya uLucas Ribeiro. Kuzobuya uRibeiro. Kukhona uLeon currently. Kukhona uSantos. Kukhona uSaling. Kukhona uKutwana loyihlako abangadayiswa. There are many players who are there. And when I'm not saying umjida is not capable of fighting for iposition yakhe. We all knew ukuthi-ke iSundowns ikude kanjani. iSundowns isengaya njengamanje kwi-market right now and sign another South American. They can go and sign another South American. They are capable of doing that. Yabo. So iyona into ehlezi ngixaka regarding abadlali bala eSouth Africa ukuthi-ke why do they always go to iMamelodi Sundowns? Yes, there is money there. So kukuyena umjida ukuthi-ke ingabe ifuture yakhe uyilangazelela kanjani? Ingabe uyafuna yena ukuqhubeka adlale ibhola la eSouth Africa? Ingabe uyafuna yena ukuthi-ke aqhubeke aye phambili? Because uma uyojoyina iSundowns kukabili uyohlala ebhenchini noma uzolonwa kuloni iziphele icontract yakho. Ngiyabezwa abantu abaningi basho ukuthi-ke nabo Tebogo Mokoena bafika bekhona onja o-Andile Jali, bafika bekhona oHosiye. Mina ngokwami bafethu, I don't think ngiyalazi iqiniso, I don't think ngiya-understand. uTebogo Mokoena ukufika kwakhe kwi-Sundowns wafika vele sewumdlali osezakhele udumo. Yabo. Efika nje kwi-Sundowns vele wayesezakhelile udumo. Yabo. So wena ukuya kwakho kwi-Sundowns, he's still a youngster umjida, 23 years old. He's still a youngster. Ukuya kwakho kwi-Sundowns ngeke lapho udevelopeke. Yabo. iSundowns ayibadinga abantu esawuqala ibadevelope. iSundowns idinga abadlali asebekhona vele, abasebe nento ephathekayo. Kanti ubengangcono ukuthi-ke ajoyine enye team I'm not saying which team, but bengangcothi ajoin enye team ekhona la ku Betway Premiership. But ke kulele kuyena with agent yakhe, kulele kuyena with abomndeni bakhe abam-influenceayo. More money, less game. More game, better future. Nemali khona asazi kodwa ke you can tell me in the comments, do you think umjida le decision le emhlalele njengamanje iyiphi decision amele ayithathe? Remember akasayini icontract, yabo njengoba engakasayini icontract kukuyena ukuthi ke it's either signer with iMamelodi Sundowns noma ke usayina with Orlando Pirates. Do you think kumele asayine icontract la khona ku guaranteed ukuthi ke umjida possibility ukuthi ke igame time ngiyaza ayithole, noma ke asayine with iclub ezokwazi ke imdevelope abe isuperstar? Uyisuperstar already, kodwa ke mase fika ku Orlando Pirates uzobe super mega star. Siyayazi Orlando Pirates bafethu iyakwazi ukwenza umdlali ongadumile kuba umdlalo nje ya. Look at Moremi. Moremi wasn't this Moremi esimaziyo njengamanje. Orlando Pirates iyakwazi ukwenza lokho. Yebo, iyakwazi ukuthatha ikubekele, ikubekele. Bafana collapse. Do you think uzowathola ama collapse? Kuzoba nzima ukuthi awathola ama collapse ebenchini. Kuzofakwa Basadini. Basadini was the captain of Steelies, but ke he moved because of ukuyowina icoco with inina Mamelodi Sundowns. Ube number 1 left back with Steelies. Uyobangisana with umdlali oyi left back eBafana. Kuzoba nzima ukuthi ayithole igame time kwi Sundowns because banina uModibo uzodlala every game. Kuzoba nzima for Hugo Broos ambize umdlalo odlala ebenchini. Kuzoba unfair to other players who are playing as left backs kuyona iBetway Premiership. Do you think Hugo Broos ubengambiza uCross ukuba bekhona ubanina uFawaz Basadini? I don't think lokho bekuzokwenzeka, yabo. So kukuyena umjidi ukuthi ke ingabe userious yini about ifuture yakhe ebholeni or ulandela abanye abadlali abathatha icareer path engekho right. Mina nje bafethu sengikhathele ukuthi ke la eSouth Africa sikhalelele babadlali labo ukuthi ke bajoin iSundowns, and ngikhathele ukuthi ke siblame iSundowns. We don't have to blame iSundowns. Sundowns, they are just doing business. They are just doing business as usual. They want players who are going to help them win other titles. Yabo. So they are signing players who are capable of helping Sundowns again win ezinye icoco. They saw last season when their players were injured, when their players were getting red cards. They needed other players who are going to help the team. So they didn't have those players because many of them were injured and many of them were booked. So they need players who are going to be there if there are issues regarding those first team players. Yabo, nyamaza ama first team players eSundowns. So, gingengazi, you can tell me in the comments.